Thanks for that, Peter. Next up, we have Mark from Auric Mining.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for your time. We are a gold exploration company. Throughout my talk down the bottom here, most of our key announcements are in the part of this slide. We're focused solely in West Australia. All our tenements are between Kalgoorlie and Norseman. We have 4 projects, 2 of them that I wish to talk about a bit more in detail today. So we've only been listed for 2 years. We've created a large package in this area over the last 2 years. So our main project is the Widgie-Multha Gold Project that sits at the top of the Widgie-Multha Dome. In this project, our key asset is the Munda Gold Project. The Munda Gold Project is our flagship asset. In this area, there's large gold producers. Kaora are the biggest. Austral Resources that spoke yesterday have got some land a bit north of us. But Kaora are the big Canadian gold producer in this area. As I mentioned, the Munda deposit is our key asset. You can see that it's got some high-grade numbers in it. It has had a small pit drilled by Resolute in the late 1990s. We've got more work to do here. When we acquired this asset, it had around 46,000 ounces of gold in it. We've moved that up to around 200,000 ounces. But most importantly, we have moved it up into the indicated category. Jeffreys Find project, which is our project that we intend to monetise. We have got the necessary approvals to start mining Jeffreys Find. We're going to mine that in conjunction with a company called BML Mining out of Kalgoorlie. Importantly for us, they pay all the working capital costs. They provide the men, they provide the plant and equipment. After they've been repaid their costs for gold production, we split the surplus proceeds 50-50. We expect to actually start mining that project in April this year. So importantly for Jeffreys Find, one of the key assets about Jeffreys Find is it has never been mined. So there's no cutbacks, there's no extra work that needs to be done on it. And also, most importantly, you can see it is thickest at surface. So as soon as you start work, you'll be actually into the gold zone. You can see right at the top there's some high-grade numbers in there, and that is going to be important for us. We're going to mine it in 2 stages. We're going to mine a starter pit. You can see the little green line there. That will take about 4 months to mine and then about 3 months to produce. We're currently negotiating with 2 gold mills, one north of Kalgoorlie and the other one in Coolgardie, and either of those gold toll treatment plants will take this product, and it's our intention to deliver cash out of that in September, October this year. Our Spargoville project is a bit north of Munda. You can see that the Wattle Dam deposit is down on the bottom of the right-hand corner. I'm sure all of you that have followed gold know the Wattle Dam story. Around 250,000 ounces of gold at an average of 10 grams per tonne. And just north is the Spargos Reward project. Spargos is currently being mined by Kaora. Our last project is the Chalice West project. Chalice West project is about 50 k's northeast of Norseman. The reason we acquired this project was actually to go looking for the second Chalice gold mine. You can see the Chalice mine there on the right-hand side. Chalice produced around 670,000 ounces of gold. Our key corporate statistics, we're a small cap. At this point in time, most probably a micro cap. We've got around 130 million shares on issue. We've got a market cap of 6 million. We've got about 1.3 million in the bank. That's going to be more than enough for us until we start generating cash out of Jeffreys Find. We've got a good board. We're all here. We'd welcome you to come and talk to us. Steve Morris is in the corporate markets in Melbourne. One of his claims to fame was he was a director for De Grey for many years when De Grey was a bit like Auric. Myself, I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and John Utley's our technical guy. John's been involved in the gold space for all his life, working life. So what are we going to do in the next 6 months? We're going to mine Jeffreys Find in conjunction with BML. We're going to utilise that cash flow to expand our other resources and other drilling. There's only 2 ways you're going to grow your gold resources. It's either by exploration or by acquisition. and we're going to do a scoping study on the Munda Gold Mine, or Munda Gold Deposit. We hope to have that scoping study out by late April, early May. As I said, it's got around 200,000 ounces of gold in it, so we expect that number to be quite substantial. So our investment proposition, why Auric? We all know it's a competitive world. We all know there's lots of companies about. So there's 4 key things: right place, right time, right people, and the right energy. Those 4 ingredients are the key for us to get to where we need to go. We've got an excellent pipeline, we've got some greenfields, we've got some brownfields, and we've got some stuff that's really in the development category. So we've got the spectrum covered in what we need to do, all in that one location in West Australia. So that's our current resources. As I said, we've grown it up to around 245,000 ounces. Not a lot more work to do, but it's a great stepping stone in our 2 years of public life. Most importantly, where we are located is there a fantastic infrastructure all around where we are, all the way up to Kalgoorlie. Kalgoorlie is one of the gold centres of the world. So thank you for your time. I know I belted through that fairly quickly. I wanted to make sure you got your coffee hit on time. We've got a booth outside. We're all there. We'd welcome anybody to come and have a chat to us. We're a very open book. Thank you.